Okay, so we are making a strawberry scented body scrub. What you will need are sugar, essential oils. I have this kind and that kind. It's summer smell. You will also need coconut oil and almond oil, which is good for the skin and hair. Now I'm using these because I don't have food coloring, so I'm just put a few drops of these just to give it color. And you're gonna need 3 Pyrex bowls, or you can use any bowls that are microwaveable. I already went on ahead and microwaved the coconut oil, and we're gonna put it all in mason jars. We have measuring tools, and yeah, so let's get started. My sister's gonna be helping me since I have nothing to hold my phone, so I'll be narrating while she's doing it step by step. You could do 2 cups of sugar, but for us it was a lot, so we're gonna use 1.5. I will show you the previous one we made, but first let's do the strawberry sugar scrub. She's gonna pour the sugar into the measuring cup. And it's kind of bright, you won't tell the difference. That's how it looks. She's pouring it. You will put this in each bowl, so just in that bowl and the second bowl. You leave the coconut oil bowl alone. That's 1.5? Okay. Now she's done with that. Now she's gonna put 1/4 tablespoon of almond oil on each sugar. She's putting the almond oil, that's 1/4, in each thing. Now she gotta mix it well. You could use a spoon, a plastic spoon, or anything else. It should end up looking like almost powdered snow after you mix it very well. If it doesn't look like this, you guys probably put too much or too little. Does it look almost like Christmas on it?
Tú sabes que Ana es una muchacha nerviosa. Sí. Está bien, yo voy. Yo te doy eso desde que venga el único hijo que yo tengo, el que vive en la capital. El único que me da. Los otros no quieren ni ampelarme. Yo soy muy libre, ellos me ven y no. Tú desde que llega me compra mi jarrito de leche, mi cervecita negra. Tú no vienes con la mano vacía, pero nosotros son una vergüenza. Y viajan y qué va.
Okay, I'll take a break. When she's done doing that, we'll continue recording. We're back. She's done doing both. We discussed it, and since she's only doing strawberry, she's gonna make it all pink. So we're just gonna use one bowl to fill up our little mason jars. She's gonna put 1/8, well, I think that's 1/4 of coconut oil inside, and then she's gonna mix. Jesus. This is to help the body, make your skin not dry, moisturize, and all that. As you can see, it doesn't change how it looks. It will stay looking kind of snowy like. Because remember, it is a body scrub. You should be able to grab it and feel the moisture and all that. But remember, you do not want it to be too wet or too dry, because then it won't do no effect. You done?
Yes.
And now she's gonna put the tropical punch for food coloring to turn it reddish or pinkish, whichever one.
Mírale los pantalones a ese señorito, mira. ¿Dónde está la menor, por favor? No me lo permitir eso. La novia mía. Pues ya usted no la va a ver jamás.
Remember, guys, you don't want it to be too watery or too dry.
¿Y dónde es eso? Está, bueno, la descubierta. ¿Y eso es de qué país? Es de aquí.
As you can see, she still has some white spots, so she might have to add more. Because we're looking for the whole thing to be pink.
Emelita, yo no había visto eso. Tú también miras todo, Anita. Bueno, ustedes no me habían dado luz, pero ya me pusieron clara de nuevo. Yo ya sé cuál será mi posición a partir de ahora. Yo le voy a dar 24 horas para que mi menor esté aquí. Si no vienen, entonces me veré obligado, que no es lo que yo quiero, pero es lo que ustedes me han llevado. Hay que hablar con la fiscal y a le voy a poner una querella a ustedes por lejanía de mi amor.
As you can see, it's already pink. Maybe you can't tell too well because I have too much lighting. But it's pink. There's really no more white stuff, white spots. That's just like the afterglow due to the lighting, but it's pink. we're going to add the scent. As you can tell, I have these, but this one does not have the strawberry scent. So we're gonna go with my summer collection from P&J. She's gonna choose out the strawberry scent. This is strawberry. She's supposed to add 8 to 10 drops so it could smell. These are essential oils, also good for the skin.
Ese que tiene a Lucero es la ñaíta. Claro, que no quiero una belleza. Y eso, mira, que yo quiero volver a ver a Tata, que tú le digas, ay, la Tata que yo qué. No la quiero.
Don't send it.
No la quiero porque mira, que no son una
So it could smell stronger.
Should I put more sugar?
Yeah, add a few more from there. She wants to add a few more because it looks like it's going to be a little bit for the mason jar. I think she had some more drops. Guys, don't be afraid to use the essential oils. Drop as many as you want. Obviously, don't go overboard, but don't be afraid to drop. It smells like pure strawberry. After we do that, you have to but it's bottled. So you're gonna take it, mason jar. You can use any mason jar, it doesn't matter. We just chose this one because it was on special. Oh yeah, and please ignore my cat. She likes to browse.
Curious.
And you just package it neatly, and you're done. So we'll package this, and then we'll show you the end result. You can see, even the cat likes it. Oh, Coco, that face. See, she's into it. That's why she's there while my sister's doing it, because she just loves the smell. You have to keep an eye on her, or else she'll try to eat it when she's not supposed to eat this. She's almost done. Okay, she's about to come over.
Oops, I made a mess.
Okay guys, we're back. She's finally done filling it up to the top. Now she's just gonna wipe around the edges of the lid. There you have it. Yeah, it's too bright. We can't see. It should look like this. Pink for strawberry. It has a strong smell. I will post pictures of both, and I will show you the peppermint. Yep. Easy DIYs. Like and subscribe. I will put the ingredients on my description and places you could find it in. the ingredients.